fed the hungry, cleansed the leper. But we need Jesus now more than ever. Jesus now more than ever. We are sailing in stormy weather. All His children should get together, for we need Jesus now more than ever. He touched the lame man and he started walking. He touched the dumb man and he started talking. He put their lives all back together. But we need Jesus now more than ever. Jesus now more than ever, more than ever. We are sailing in stormy weather. All His children should get together, for we need Jesus now more than ever. In the book of Revelation, read about the tribulation. We are heading in that direction. Only Jesus' blood can give protection. Yeah, Jesus, now more than ever we need your love in the weather, through the thunder, through the rain. You're steady, you're forever, Jesus. Now more than ever, lift us higher, bring us clever. In your name we stand, in your truth we'll cleave now and forever.